5 years ago, Spark worked with the company DateX to bring the battery blender to the United States. This device allowed users to add another battery to any e-bike. Today, we're showing off a new evolution of the product in the form of a trailer. This trailer allows you to add a single battery or two batteries to any e-bike. It's perfect for something like Uber Eats or just getting around. To begin, we're going to offer a 48 volt, a 52 volt version. The 52 volt version will most likely be the most common, and that is a 25 amp hour battery. This trailer is outfitted with a single battery version. It's a standard Shark battery that you guys have seen everywhere, and actually on some bikes, just like the one I have on the side of me, they're interchangeable. Remember, the battery blender allows us to combine two different batteries, even of very slightly different voltages, so this can be a 52 volt and a 48 volt system, and it runs great. The device simply detects which battery is at a higher voltage, pulls from that one first, and then when both batteries are at the same charge, it allows both those batteries to discharge at the same time. The cargo trailer itself is rated to about 150 pounds, so it's great for hauling a ton of gear just like we have here. There are threaded mounts on the top, so if you want to actually add things on top, you can do that too. These yellow bars on the sides are removable, and the wheels themselves are removable. If you wanted to upgrade the trailer in the future, you could even buy it without batteries and install the batteries yourself. Or if you had one with a battery, you could add a second battery in the future. Every trailer will also include the battery blender device that allows you to connect to the bike itself. So that's the trailer. We're getting ready to launch this in November. If you go to sparkcycleworks.com, there's a page where you can register your interest. You can say either a 48 volt, a 52 volt, or a 60 volt version. That's going to help us decide on the quantities that we begin to stock. That way, we can launch the product in November with everything ready to go.